What's good, YouTube? And today we are here having a mukbang at Asian Buffet Grill. We're trying new foods, new sushi I never had before. And yeah, tune in, hit that like button, hit that follow button, and subscribe. What's good, close friends? And today we finna be trying sushi. I never had sushi before. So y'all tell me, y'all let me know. You better go over there right now and get right. Is any of this cooked? Like cooked sushi? Okay. I'm gonna try them all. None of them are cooked. Right here. I'm vlogging here.
Oh my god. That man don't want to be recorded.
I'm recording myself.
That's the one that's not wrong?
No, all of them are raw. I'm just gonna try the ones that look good. Chat, y'all think this look good? Chat think it look good, so we're gonna grab that one too. Alright, vlog, we going back to the table. Let me switch hands. Alright, vlog, we going back to the table. I got 3, alright. Trying this one first.
Oh yeah, no, yours not too good.
This part is nice.
Y'all, Tap wanna see y'all by the way, so.
But the Dre's trying out the sushi.
Oh no.
Oh, you're trying out sushi. What am I supposed to
But
say?
my face gotta be under. Gotta get my reaction.
And my face too, bro.
If it's under 15K, can I get it?
You can say hi. Just one time.
My bad, bro.
YouTube.
I should put your nut on the phone.
Put the video now.
Get my vlog now. It's nasty.
My face.
Wait, what?
Oh, cut that out. Cut that out. 3, 2, 1. No.
Yeah, you're supposed to put the whole thing in.
That's so real.
Alright, here we go.
That's real. That's the one the man said he like. Stop touching my video, boy.
Girls up. 3 minutes.
Chat, isn't that?
Dad, can I get more?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dad. Yeah. When you're done, can I get more? One more? Dad.
Let's try this. Does it focus? That's real.
It tastes like.
5 out of 10, guys.
What it tastes
Good
like?
flavor. It's dry.
Yeah. What it tastes
We gonna try.
Big dog.
It's like moldy
What it
bread.
tastes like?
0 out of 10. Never tried it. We got Papa Dre trying the sushi.
Yo, Dad, can I get more food, sushi, and ice cream? Can I get ice cream?